Hello and welcome back. How is everybody? Hope you're all okay and coping well with COVID. And remember, if you don't subscribe, I'm telling your mother. Oh dear. Every time I make a video I've got less and less hair. I look like half a Scargill now. Okay, let's have a look in the car boot sale bag of dreams. Oh dear. I'll treat myself to a soap. Let's have a look in the car boot sale bag of dreams. I was looking for a drag overcomb, but they didn't have any. Maybe I'll have better luck next week. Okay, let's get started. There's a few normal things before we get to the tools. That's just the way it is. The good stuff is right at the bottom, obviously. So you have to keep watching. First thing I got is a lovely telephoto lens. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Looks expensive. I think that'll be alright, that. Secondly, I come across this big, obviously, candle stand. Alright for £1. I might be able to use it to display something. So that's interesting. Good value for £1. I couldn't let that go. Maybe there's some useful metal there. Who knows? What else have we got? Just getting through the boring stuff. Oh yes, this is good. I got this for £2. Good for crafting. A big basket of shells, and I'm sure that'll come in handy. So that was okay, that was a good find. Oh, I'm desperate to have a look at this telephoto lens. It's a big one. I do have an old SLL camera upstairs, and this may just fit it. I bet there's really expensive when there's new. This must be at least 100mm. Oh yeah, it feels heavy. It definitely the part. Wow. Let's have a closer look. Ah, oh look, someone's made me a milky brew from the car boot sale. God, it's amazing what you can find. Right, let's move on. There's something else in there. Nice, that's totally going on the lathe. Yeah, it looks the part, that. Right, let's move on. Right, let's continue in the bag of dreams. What can I find that's interesting in here? Ah yes, I bought this little level. No name on it, nothing special. I just felt sorry for it because it's a bit damaged on the end. Looks like a dog's been chewing it or something. Maybe a baby. Oh, of course, it's a baby level. Now I know where the name comes from. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, for 50p. Let's move on. What else have we got? Oh yeah, multi-tools. You now know I like to collect old multi-tools from the other video I made. Well, I found the modern equivalent to there. Nothing special, it was only £1. I just liked it, because I think the pliers are quite well made and crisp. Don't think it's ever been used. And it has all other tools as well in the sides. There's nothing like doing a bit of wire cutting and going for a beer. So genius, whoever thought this tool. And also, we've got a very small saw. If you want to cut, I don't know, if you want to cut some matches up, I suppose. And there's various other blades and screwdrivers. So maybe that's worth carrying about with you and get you to a few sticky situations, that. And it all folds up nice. That was great for £1. I found it in a bucket of other stuff. I don't think he knew what it was because I just picked it up and went, how much for that? I didn't open it up, obviously. Right, let's continue. Ah, yes. These were a very good find. And I'll tell you why when I turn them over. They were a Fukung good find. Yeah, they were a Fukung good find, they were. Right, let's go. Oh yes, on the car boot sale today there was lots of good stuff, and I found 1.5 anvils. That's correct, 1.5 anvils. Very heavy. It was actually a 4-man lift to get it into the van. Oh, there we go. Isn't she nice? This is the one. I'll show you the half later on in the video. This was the first anvil I've ever seen at the car boot sale. Expensive, at £10. They wouldn't give it me for any less, and luckily I had £10 on me. But yeah, I'm really happy with that, and I think I may do a video cleaning that up. It's possibly a jeweller's anvil. Yeah, she's a beauty. Very happy with that. Let's continue. Just a few more bits, just little pliers and stuff. Square nose pliers. I wonder what these were used for. Very unusual shape, and the end's unusual. Doesn't really make sense why you'd have a pair of pliers like that. They must have been specific to a car or something, an old car, like an old Austin or something maybe, out to a toolkit. I wonder what they do. If anybody knows what these pliers are, please tell me. Let's continue. Yeah, since you've got a lot of pliers today, I have a bit of a plier fetish at the moment, and I got these for £1. I don't know if they're garden secateurs or something completely more industrial. But again, £1. They was languishing in another box of tools. I just felt sorry for them. They probably are secateurs. I don't know what they could be. They seem well made. I won't let put my finger in there. Right. Oh yes. Well, this was good. Got this old inspection lamp, and it's a Davin set. That bulb's big, isn't it? It's a whopper. I don't think I've ever seen one like that shape before. And it's got a strange end on it. I don't know if you plug it into the mains or it's for a car. Anybody know what that's for? It's got plenty of wire. I think we'll have a go and plug in this in and see what happens. Not in the mains. I think this is a job for the Frankenstein battery charger. Ooh.